We're overthinking exercise. We just need to move our bodies more often. Let's do that today. I got 5 exercises, 1 minute each. We're going to do each twice. My favorite exercises, we're starting with the skip march. If you're here and you just want to march, let's go. We just want to move more often, boost our mood, elevate our energy, build strength if we're consistent, which is going to build discipline and just lead to a happier, healthier life. No endorphins kicked in already. I don't know what's up with me today. Let's just enjoy moving. Oh, find the movements that you enjoy. Do them often. Make them more dynamic once in a while. Add to it. Invite a friend. Whatever you can do to just move more often so that we can live our happiest, healthiest lives. Yeah. Okay. Step jack. You could do a jumping jack if you're feeling it. By all means. The step jack. Really stretch it out. Whoa, it's a little wet out here today. Trying to get this in before it really starts to rain. You can pick up the pace a bit. These are just movements I love to do that always make me happy. Okay, skater. Get your arms in. Nice swing. Head up. I gotta remember to do that. You can look down too much. Find a nice flow. Tap it out as far as you can, or it can even just be like this. Why not? Nothing wrong with that. Yes. Or extend it out. Oh, yeah. All right. Bear with me. Squats, a minute of squats. Do as many as you can, but as deep as you like. We want to build strength so that we can move through our day with more ease. The body weight squat every day, I think. Yeah. And you can get right down. Brilliant. But just a little movement goes a long way also. Even in a chair, just come up off the chair. And just a few centimeters over and over. It's going to build strength, help us to be more balanced, increase our mobility. This really is just such a brilliant exercise. Movement. We're doing movements, right? Yes. Okay. But kick with some bicep curls. Let's go. You go at your pace. Maybe you want to pick it up. Really increase your heart rate. Then you should do that. Maybe you want to slow it down. You want to focus on balancing, holding that movement for an extra moment. Modify as always. Do what's best for you. Love the movement. Love life. All right, a couple more, and shake it out. Okay, back to the beginning. Skip, march, can, whatever works best for you. Maybe you just want to go for a walk with this one. Just see if you can't get the thighs up a little higher than maybe normal, increase the range of motion, and then who knows, maybe it leads into a happy skip march. It's the skipping. When I watch kids at the playground when my son is playing, and I watch them, and they just go nonstop, this energy, and they skip everywhere to the next playground, to the next activity. Why do we get so serious as adults? Take all the joy, spontaneity out of life. No, come on. Let's skip our way. And, all right. Maybe you need to slow it down. This is great. This is really, we can stretch it out here. Great full body movement. Of course, if you're just feeling good and you really want to increase the cardio aspect of today, then by all means, a little faster. Nothing's to say we can't go 10 seconds quickly. Slow it down for 10. Choose your own adventure. That's why these at-home workouts are great. Just do what's best for you. Just keep showing up, though. Daily movement. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Skater. Really, let's get a nice rotation of the upper body. Get those arms up there. Using our arms. You can really reach it out. Want to get a nice stretch in. Slow it down and hold it there. Oh, yeah. Stretch. Stretch. Or maybe just for a moment. Pick up the pace. Let's swing those arms full body. All right. Shake. Come on. Squats didn't always used to be my favorite thing, I have to admit. But I reframed the way I think about it. Change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Wayne Dyer, my great teacher. God bless. Rest your soul. I look at squats differently and just choose to like them. Yes, it's a great movement. I love squats. I love them. As deep as you can. You know, just a little pulse squat too. Brilliant. No comparison. Just do what's best for you. I'm going to go a little deeper. And one more. Okay, last movement of the day. Let's give all our energy, all our attention into this movement. What happens when we commit full focus into a movement? Remember to breathe, be here now. Almost there. And let's finish this bout of movement for the day. Find other ways to move. Only 15 seconds today. It's starting to rain. I don't want the equipment to get destroyed. Just breathe. Taking everything you've just done. Just notice all the sensations your body. Send gratitude to your body, to yourself for showing up. Let this propel you to find more movement throughout your day. Brilliant. Best day ever today. Go for it. I'll see you tomorrow.